How to de-index a page from Google properly. Now, there are many reasons why we might want to de-index a page in Google. For example, if we've got a sales page which contains some of the same content or some of the same ideas as a blog post or a product page, it's a good idea to de-index this from Google so the keywords on both pages are not competing. There should really be only one page on your site that attempts to rank for a keyword. So if you've got 5 different pages that are ranking for the same keyword, it dilutes the power of each and you end up not ranking for anything. If we have a page, say for example, let's take this one here, the landing page FAQ. So here's a blog post about landing pages. If I was to create a sales page directed at people interested in, say, ordering a service, whereby I create a landing page for them, it would be a good idea in this case to create that sales page and de-index this page in Google so that both the blog post and the sales page are not competing for the same keyword. So how will we do that? So let's take this page as an example. Explain everything through the lens of WordPress, because it happens to be the most popular content management system on the internet. So if I go into my blog post here, this could be a sales page, it could be a product page in commerce or whatever e-commerce plugin you're using. Now I'm using SEO Press. A lot of people use Yoast. I'm not a fan of Yoast. SEO Press is more suited to my needs, and the concepts are similar, but SEO Press has a more capabilities. It's a paid plugin, although there is a free version. This version is the paid plugin, but what I'm going to explain here is available in the free version. So if we scroll down, we go right to advanced, okay, and then we click do not display this page in search engine results. Okay, it's basically making it a no index. That's literally all you have to do, and then click update. It's very, very similar process on Yoast. This is how you do it on Yoast. So once you've done that and you've clicked update, if the page has been live on Google for a long period of time, the next step is to remove it from the Google index. If this is a brand new page, you've just created a new page and you select no index, you don't need to take this step. But if you have already created this page and you want to de-index it completely, you need to remove it from Google index. Otherwise you're going to get 404s, which is a page not found, and you're going to get some other issues. What you need to do from here is open up Google Search Console. So once you've done that, on the left hand side look for removals, click that. It says temporary removals, and that means it will remove the page for 6 months. And that's fine, because if you've set it to no index, by the time the 6 months rolls around again, the page will still be invisible to Google's crawler and it will not be re-indexed. So this is fine. So we click on new request, enter the URL, leave it as remove this URL only, and click next. I'm not going to do it here because I don't want to de-index this page, but that's essentially what you need to do, and then that page will be de-indexed from Google.